Hey guys, I do not know if I'm recording. I don't even know if I have my uh, the correct screen on my Xbox open. Apparently I do. It says I'm recording. So I completely erased everything from my Fallout game, which kind of put an abrupt and unexpected stop to um, playing Skyrim, and I'm gonna test something out. But hopefully it does. I'm gonna check my phone and see if I can see my stream on my phone. Because hopefully I'm still streaming and I'm not talking to myself right now. I always have trouble with um with recording. I don't know why. I can't ever really do anything. Can I go to my channel? I'm not showing any broadcasting. So, while this is going, you guys,
War.
please forgive me, but I have to check on the computer, apparently.
War never changes.
I don't know that much about how to use Twitch, unfortunately. I'm sorry, you guys. I do need to start doing my homework.
Serving in the army. Wondered when he'd get to go home to his wife. And the son he'd never seen. He got his wish when the US ended World War II by dropping atomic bombs on Hiroshima and Nagasaki.
I'm not even 100% certain if I remember my password to Twitch.
Instead, something miraculous happened.
I know my Xbox knows it.
We began to use
My computer might.
as a weapon, but it's a nearly limitless source of power. People enjoyed luxuries once thought the realm of science fiction. Domestic robots, fusion-powered cars, portable computers. But then,
My computer decided to open up Google Chrome, and I didn't want that.
people awoke from the
I'm old school. I prefer to use
years of consumption led to shortages of every major resource.
I prefer to use the old school internet browser.
The entire world
I know.
around
I'm sure there's 100,000 reasons why
became a distant.
you're going to tell me not to do that, but I do it.
It is now the year 2077. We stand on the brink of total war. And I am afraid. For myself. For my wife. Son. Because if my time in the army taught me one thing, it's that war.
Okay, it
War
says that
never changes.
I might be streaming.
War never
Of course,
changes.
my computer wants to update right now.
You think?
Absolutely. Now get ready.
Come on.
Stop hogging the mirror.
Right.
You can do it, computer. Okay, well, probably gonna end up restarting all of this. I'm actually going to be doing several different playthroughs. Really? You're gonna play an advertisement right whenever I'm about to find out whether or not it's working? Well, thank you.
I'm actually going to be playing several different playthroughs. I'll be doing some as crossplays, and I'll be doing some as playing as a Mel. And I know I preach against stereotypes and all that, but I'm gonna be a stereotype player right now. And you know, the Railroad, if you're playing the Railroad, you're playing the Railroad because you are you feel empathic towards the synths. And if you feel empathy, you know, stereotypically, an empathic person is generally going to be a female. Females are generally and stereotypically more empathic than men. I happen to be an exception to that rule, but, you know, everything about me has to be complicated. Just look at me trying to record on a first recording of anything. But I'm getting off subject here. So for this playthrough, I'm actually going to be playing as a female. And you know what? I really don't see myself looking at myself a lot while I'm playing the game. So, you know, I'm probably... Okay, we're live. Awesome. I'm gonna turn the volume off, but I'm gonna leave that on there just in case if something goes wrong, I will know sooner. So we're just gonna really just leave this as it is. I'm still getting feedback. I need to mute this. That's better. Okay, you guys. All distractions aside, welcome to the Fallout universe, and I'm Chaos. I will be your tour guide for the evening, and whatever time you might actually be playing Grognak comic book. I'd rather read the comic book, really. I mean, you know, it sounds like more fun to read the comic book than the newspaper. You know, we're in the Cold War. It's kind of obvious what's going to be in the newspaper. We hate communists, and communists are the root of all evil, and the world is going to go in a nuclear war at any given moment.
Codsworth?
Enjoy your coffee, Mum.
Sounds great. Did you get me some cream and sugar?
Oh, sounds like someone made a sticky.
The hell did you do to my kid? What did you do to my kid?
We were nervous at first, but I'm glad we got. Wow, look at you.
I still don't trust
How a
him.
guy like me ever gets so lucky, huh?
It's 'cause I'm sexy. No, not really.
Looking in on next week's forecast, we have a high of 52 on Monday.
I wouldn't be so sure.
There are troops stationed overseas are experiencing some unusual weather as well. On the island of Mamba Jau, the nights are cold, unseasonably so for Southeast Asia. But for the 5th Infantry, that's as comfortable as...
Okay, before we go on, I want to check some things real quick. Gameplay difficulty. I'm going to move that back to hard. Look, sensitivity's good. All of my stuff is good. Saving Pip-Boy's 5 minutes. Pip-Boy app enabled. I really don't know why I enabled that, because it doesn't work. Anything I need to remap? Nope. Okay, yeah. I will let you guys tell me if you think I should change the color of my Pip-Boy. Let's see, master volume, voice, music is low, effects can go up a little bit, footsteps are high, radio it can go a little lower. Because we're not doing the silver whatever quest line right now. Ooh, got heartburn. Gotta take a 5-second intermission here real quick, and I am sorry, you guys. Okay. I forget what I'm supposed to be doing right now.
That salesman again.
Oh, that.
Bothering you.
What do you want?
Good morning. Vault-Tec calling.
Vault-Tec? Remind me again.
Why, we're about you, ma'am, and helping secure your future. You see, Vault-Tec is the foremost builder of state-of-the-art underground fallout shelters. Vaults, if you will. Luxury accommodation.
Sounds more like a torture chamber.
Wait out the horrors of nuclear devastation. You can't begin to know how happy I am to finally speak with you. I've been trying for days. It's a matter of utmost urgency.
Is it? Really? I'm glad you're here too.
Glad I opened the door.
Oh, me too. You have no idea. Now, I know you're a busy woman, so I won't take up much of your time. Time being, a precious commodity. I'm here today to tell
Time is
you
money.
that because of your family service to our country, you have been pre-selected for entrance into the local vault. Vault 111.
Really?
Sounds great.
If I'm empathic, I'm gonna be nice.
Believe you me. Now, you're already
Mostly.
cleared for entrance in the unforeseen event of total atomic annihilation.
That sounds like fun.
Verify some
Can we do that tomorrow?
Sure. Let's do it.
Splendid. Splendid. Now, let's see.
Alright. And I want to Google this just to make sure I have the correct spelling. Normally I would go with Chaos, but because I'm going to be playing several playthroughs and probably simultaneously, I'm going to name them appropriately to the factions that I'm going to be playing. So, Harriet Tubman.
According to Wikipedia, Harriet Tubman was an African-American abolitionist, humanitarian.
I thought that her name was spelled with a G, not with a B. Okay, well, whatever. Make me feel stupid. Ah! I just love typing with an Xbox controller. It makes my day. You know what? No. If culture stopped, then names would be similar to the time period. So actually, Harriet wouldn't be an out of place name. If I have any African American viewers, yeah, it's gonna be pretty cool. Anyways, I hate this. I really do. I really hate this. Okay. I'm gonna put that up to 5 to start with, and I'm gonna put that to at least 4. 4. 4. 3. 4. Okay, so we'll go 4, 2, and what do I feel is more important?